Hey, what's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna cook some air fryer French fries. I just got this Cosori air fryer, so now I'm just cooking whatever I can. I have my co-host here today. This is Julia.
Hi. Today we're just gonna do stuff. So let me show you my daughter. My daughter's here.
Julia, we're cooking French fries. Get back over here.
Hi guys. Here's my daughter. She's so cute, right?
Okay, let's get back to the potatoes, okay?
Okay.
All right. So back to the French fries. So what's the first thing we're gonna have to do?
We're gonna peel the potatoes.
All right. You ready to roll?
Yes.
Let's go.
The first thing that we're doing is peeling the potatoes now.
Okay. Be careful, please. Watch your fingers. All right. Hold on. All right. Let me show you real quick.
I'm a big one now, Dad.
You did a great job.
I'm a 5-year-old. I know how to do stuff.
Oh, you're ready to roll. And you got to be careful with this. That's why little kids, you did enough, sweetie. You did a great job. Let me finish this off. This potato peeler is suboptimal.
Hey,
I got it from the dollar store because somebody took my other one, or it was given to them. All right, so we're done. We ready to go? Thumbs up.
Hey, I didn't tell you just to talk. I can talk too.
Wow.
Thumbs up.
You got to put it here. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Boom.
All right, let's go. So now we're going to use my trusty French fry cutter. I think I've learned how to use it now. It took me a little while, but now I've got it. So let's see this puppy in action. You ready for this, Jules?
Yes. Totally ready for this, man.
All right, let's see how she blows. Ready? Count me down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got to put a little bit of elbow grease on it. But it's worth.
Oh!
Woohoo, we got some French fries.
Guys, upload the comments and tell me out below if you want to watch the rest of our videos. Bye!
Julia, we're not done. All right, so now we got to put the potatoes in a pan. I'm sorry.
In a bowl.
Yeah. So you can say that. Say, all right. So now we got to put the potatoes in a bowl. Ready? 3, 2.
Hey,
No.
There's a little bit of water.
It's fine. Okay, go. So.
Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the potatoes in the bowl.
All right, let's see it.
Ah! It sounds like it's raining potatoes.
It's raining potatoes. Great job. All right, so now we got to put some oil and some spices on them. Okay?
Oh, I'm gonna put the oil in.
Right.
I'm gonna put the spice and the oil.
Okay, cool. All right, Jules. Now put a little bit of oil in there. Not too much. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you when. Okay, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Great work. I'm putting that in. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put a little bit of this. It's kind of like it's called all-purpose seasoning.
Yes, he likes to use that or something. I don't know why.
Okay. Not camera shy at all here.
No.
Now we need to mix it up. Put your fingers and the hands in there and mix it all up.
Hey, we need a spoon. I'm not gonna mix it up.
Okay, I'll do it. You're not. I'm starting to question your dedication. There you go. Go wash your head. All right. So now these are oiled up and ready for the air fryer. All right. So the first thing we need to do is we need to preheat this. Julia, we are filming, and we want to preheat this to 380, and then hit play and step back.
Okay. So now we're on to something else. Okay, I was just gonna show you my Hatchimals. Look, you'll like this one. Look! It's my favorite one. And this one is very cute. I like this one too. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Oh yeah. I like both of these ones. Both these ones are my favorite, and I got another one. I got 2 more.
All right.
Okay, now we're gonna put the French fries in. Is that exciting? Is that exciting?
So French fries in. They're kind of sizzling already. We're gonna shake them around, and let's get them in there. Get back a little bit, Jules. We're gonna go on the French fry setting. 25 minutes. We're gonna say, I'm gonna check on them though because I think it's not that much time because we're not putting a whole bunch in there. What? What are you trying to say?
Guys, I don't know if he's wrong or right. Guys, look. Daddy got me this. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie. Alright, so we're about halfway through. It says to shake it. Let's shake them up, not hit the whole damn thing. They're looking pretty good. Put those back. Man, those are almost done to me. So I might put them in there just a little bit longer. Got family talking on the phone behind me. Alright, and go.
The French fries are done now. The French fries are done now.
Alright, so we still got about 10 minutes left, but I think we're done. So let me show you. Those are looking fantastical. Pretty good to me. Alright, so now we got to spice them up. You ready to spice them up, Jules?
Yes!
Alright, so now we're going to set them back into our bowl. Looking spectacular. Put a little bit more seasoning up on there. Focus here. Then mix them around. Now let's plate. Alright, so here we are. French fries a la calabazas. I don't know if that's what they're called. Ooh, looking good. What do you think, Jules? Don't touch those, they're hot. Do they look good?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, get over here. Get over here. Can't find good talent anywhere these days. Stand right there. Look at Julia. Do they look good?
Mm-hmm. They look like tasty. I really want one right now.
Don't touch them, they're hot.
Only from the mind of Orion.